Analysis of The Four Kinds of Meaning by I.A. Richards. I.A. Richards' essay, The Four Kinds of Meaning, is a foundational work in literary criticism, where he explains how meaning in a text is not singular but composed of four interrelated aspects. This essay is crucial to his theory of practical criticism, which emphasizes close reading and textual analysis. The four types of meaning. Richards argues that every text, particularly poetry, conveys meaning on multiple levels. 1. Sense. Literal meaning refers to the basic, straightforward meaning of words and sentences, deals with the arrangement of words and their logical coherence. Example, in the line, "The sun rises in the east," the sense is the factual statement about direction. 2. Feeling. Emotional tone refers to the attitudes, emotions, and mood expressed in a text. Words carry emotional weight beyond their literal sense. Example, "The dark clouds loomed over the horizon," conveys a sense of ominous tension. 3. Tone. Author's attitude toward the audience refers to the writer's relationship with the reader. A text can be formal, informal, sarcastic, intimate, authoritative, etc. Example, a textbook might have a neutral and instructive tone, while a personal letter might be warm and affectionate. 4. Intention. Purpose of the text refers to the writer's goal or aim. What they want to achieve could be to persuade, inform, entertain, or provoke thought. Example, a political speech might have the intention to convince people to vote for a candidate. Significance of Richards' theory rejects the idea that meaning is simple or singular. Every text operates on multiple levels, helps in close reading by forcing readers to analyze how a text functions beyond just its literal meaning. Influenced new criticism, which emphasized analyzing texts independently of historical or biographical context, useful in poetry interpretation, where meaning often depends on emotion, tone, and intention rather than just literal sense. Conclusion. Richards' Four Kinds of Meaning offers a holistic approach to understanding texts, showing that literature is more than just words. It involves emotion, authorial purpose, and audience interaction. His ideas remain relevant in literary criticism, communication studies, and linguistics.